Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning, afternoon, or good evening. This is another Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now I'm bringing you just 1 minute, but why not grab yourself 30 minutes for free, completely one-to-one. Come on over to ldlcall.com to book your slots and we can have that chat. But first, here is your quote for today. You are not the same person that you were a year ago, and I think that's pretty special. Welcome to your own evolution. Think back to this time last year. Where were you? What were you even doing with your days? Now I hope you've been spending some time looking to make yourself even better than you were last week, last month, and definitely last year. We should always try and become the best version of ourselves, the version that can also enjoy life as best we can day after day. You are incredible, you're amazing, and you're stronger than you were last year.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.